In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks. This important task can help you keep track of what your business owes its vendors and suppliers, and it's easier than you might think. So let's dive in and go through each step together. First things first, let's ensure that you're signed in to your QuickBooks account. It may sound simple, but accessing your account is the key to getting started with any task in QuickBooks Online. So, get yourself logged in, and you'll be ready to move on. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Reports tab. You can find it in the main navigation menu, which is usually located on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on the Reports tab will open up a world of reporting options that QuickBooks Online offers, providing you insights into different financial aspects of your business. With the Reports tab open, you'll want to locate the section titled What You Owe. This is the crucial destination for any information related to outstanding payables. By selecting this entry, you'll unlock several specific reports about your liabilities. Within this section, you should see an option labeled Accounts Payable Aging Summary. Go ahead and click on it to generate the report. This report is incredibly useful because it breaks down what you owe, organized by due date, so you know exactly what bills need immediate attention. Having this report allows you to conveniently monitor and prioritize your business expenses. It's an efficient way to manage your cash flow, ensuring that you're focusing on payments that require your immediate attention while also keeping an eye on your upcoming commitments. Once your accounts payable aging summary is displayed, take a moment to review the detail it provides. You'll see a list of your vendors and the amounts you owe, often categorized by how overdue each bill is. This organization is designed to offer you clear visibility on whether you're meeting your payment obligations and can also highlight potential areas for improvement in your payment processes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully generate an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks Online. Ensuring you stay on top of your financial commitments in an organized manner, this process is a fantastic habit to incorporate into your routine. It helps your business maintain a healthy financial standing, giving you confidence in managing your obligations effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.